So I'm subbing for Gabby. She didn't have access to a camera this week, and it's kind of last minute, but I'm subbing. I'm sorry. I know that you guys would much rather see her than see me. I know I would. I definitely just got these shoes like a week ago. Look, I got my name on them. I originally wanted Ray is So Fresh on them, but I guess I'm not fresh enough because it didn't fit on the shoe, so oh well. Which leads me to my challenge for you guys. You guys should show me like your favorite thing to wear. It could be like a shoe, a hat, I don't really care. Just show me something that you like to wear. There's really no rules. Just show me something you like to wear. I'm really not like in the best vlogging mood ever. Old Greg is long gone. I do have to let you guys hear something. Gabby left me this awesome voicemail, and it's really freaking funny. So since this is her vlog day, I'm gonna bring some happiness because I'm sick and there's no happiness here, so we're just gonna bring some Gabby in.
Homies of the house, homies of the house, do the home, do the home.
She's something else. If I could be a fictional character for one day, I would definitely choose Bella Swan from Twilight because she gets to spend like her entire life with Edward Cullen, who is my life. So that means I would have to spend a day with Edward Cullen. I would take the clumsiness and awkwardness just if that meant that I could be with Edward. Claire, your songwriting is like really awesome. Like, I need to take lessons from you or something because I need to learn how to actually write songs that aren't crap. That was really good, and your voice is good too. And Misery Business for the win. Justine, while you're making medals, I guess if you really want to, you could probably just make me a medal for like most boring vlog on TRV ever. Hopefully you have Gabby back next week and you don't have to stare at me anymore.